Hello and welcome to this new video. Today I would like to discuss three different AI vibe coding tools and we will compare them based on two different tasks. And first task will be just to create a very simple app from scratch with very basic prompt. And the second one would be to create an app based on my Figma design. So I have prepared a really cool Figma design for a secure checkout of creator app. And let's see, there are three main apps that are out there right now. It's one of them is Bolt U, the other one is V0 from React, and the last one is Lovable. Lovable is, I think, the most popular one right now, so it's very interesting to see how each one of them will perform. And let's just start with our simple task. So the prompt is build a simple to-do app with unique extra feature. I will just copy paste the same prompt to each of them, and let's see which one performs better. Also, the first cool thing about Bolt is that it already applies some database migration, and also the big advantage of all these tools compared to Cursor is that they all are native to database integration. So if you have zero code experience and would like to build an app and don't know what backend is it, what database it is a really cool feature. In Cursor you just might use MCP servers to do it, but from what I can see, Bolt started immediately to set up backend structure and also this database system. Lovable also skipped the part with backend, so it just go right into the front end. I mean, based on my task, it's not really necessary to build a backend system. It will be just enough to have a fully functionable front-end version. It's not really necessary to store any user data in the backend, so it's not very important. So the first one is ready. I think the first website to complete this setup was indeed V0 from React, and you can expect that the whole front-end will be built based on React and Lucid as front-end icons. From what I can see, it's like really basic design. Let's try to add something like read a book. High energy, medium energy, low energy. It is, I think it's like this unique extra feature that was implemented by each one of them. So okay, maybe medium energy, what does it mean? Read a book, medium. And there is like cool animation on completion. There is also the amount of active and completed tasks. You can also sort them based off your energy level, I guess. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's very simple. It's normally what you can expect from React, just simple tasks that really look amazing and timeless. The funny thing about lovable.dev is that they have implemented pretty much the same unique feature that I have called. So they just not fully showing the tasks overview, but they are showing this energy level, like it's very similar to what V0 had delivered. Okay, let's add a task here. Read a book. How are you feeling? Focused. Okay, I don't know. It hasn't been applied, so we see the first issue. If I don't apply a filter, it won't be shown anywhere. Okay, let's apply a filter then. Read and document. Focused. Okay, so if I click on focused, I don't have to click on plus button, which is a little bit confusing in terms of user experience, but it's fine. Completion is also okay, but I like the animations and overall user experience in V0 a little bit better. If you can see it, if I type read a book and select an energy level, my task doesn't immediately appear here, so I have still time to click it right here and just to confirm my choice by clicking one more time at the plus, and then I can see it. And I also see my badge or my tag for this task, which also is pretty nice in terms of UX. Oh my days. What the fuck is that? I think Bolt just misunderstood the task completely and built a full app. So it requires me to log in basically. Okay, let's just invalid login credentials. It's fine. Yeah, it's a little bit crazy. Sign up. Okay, let's sign up. Sign up. Just okay, cool. We signed up. And as you can see, all these tasks are probably built on very same model. It might be either Claude from Anthropic or ChatGPT from OpenAI, because they have every single one of them has created this pretty much the same task, and I haven't mentioned like specifically what kind of special feature I would like to have. So the cool thing about Bolt is that it has already prepared your backend structure. So as you can see here, if you go to database and tables, you have a to-dos table where the user data will be stored. And there is an authentication table where I have been logged in, user management. It should be, yeah, it's showing me right here. It's my email ID and sign in. So it's like very fast built for such a easy app, but nevertheless, it has also provided with whole login setup. So let's just ask read a book task. Yes, and then it's pretty straightforward, as I liked in V0, but it has also included this whole login process, which is also very nice, and you haven't even asked it to do it. It was the task was a simple to do app, but it's cool. In my opinion, I would put Bolt New on first place because front end is looking good. I have to admit I like front end. I mean, I like the design of V0 better because I'm a big fan of ShadCN and React in general. But you can still improve. I think that the icons that you see here are selected really well. Colors looking good, and you can work with it. The fun part that it has already built the whole login structure and authentication system. It's a very big advantage of this. And lovable is kind of neat. I don't know. UX is not very convincing, and design doesn't really look good. It hasn't built a backend, so I guess it's okay. So let's begin with the fun part. I have prepared like a small Figma document with a cool design, and I would like these apps to build it. So I will just log in into Figma in each one of them and just to see which of them performs better. Now I will just paste it in here. Import. I'm importing it into Bolt. We'll do the same with V0. I think, yeah, it's pretty much the same. Also import this Figma URL. It says error occurred, which is strange, but it will be fine. And here I will click on attach. No, I will click on plus and then import from Figma. It should be actually the same logic as the other two apps, but no, it says I should open a plugin. Okay, no problem, I will open. Here is what we will import. Yeah, secure checkout is the name of this, and this should be built. Okay, confirm. Okay, so the thing is, V0 describes my app in few bulleted points and shows to AI how to build it, and then it also includes a screenshot of the build. It's cool. Let's see how it works. Bolt haven't asked me what I want to import. It just proceeded without my confirmation, but it's fine as long as the result is okay. And it already installing npm and probably will build the whole application one more time, even if I didn't ask. I mean, it's cool because he handles stuff for you, but I don't think it is very necessary. Okay, now if I click on open in dev mode, it says I need to upgrade to professional to proceed with including this design to lovable, which is not very optimal, to be honest with you. It's not what I want to see. I just want to test my Figma application, nothing more. No, it always asking me to activate a professional Figma account. I won't do this. So lovable, I mean the design of lovable is kinda good, but features I don't like it. I would exclude lovable at this point, but what did V0 do? Oh my days, it's crazy bad. It built a landing page for a product that doesn't exist. It doesn't match Figma file at all. It's like zero common sense. And it has even included the screenshot. So with zero, terrible job with Figma file, even though with the to-do app it was kinda okay. Let's give the same prompt. Okay, so it has like very strange initial prompt which doesn't match the whole design, and the only app that has built a really nice frontend was Bolt New. So I guess it answers all the questions. Bolt New is kinda king and all of others are lame. I mean, V0 didn't really match it at all. It's a terrible looking app, doesn't have to do anything with my task. Lovable also failed completely. So I guess Bolt is the best one. So don't make sure to follow this channel, and I will see you in the next one.